Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn a free and easy way to factory reset Samsung phones and tablets. First, connect your Samsung phone to the computer. Then head to iSunshare.com on any browser. Find Android Password Genius and download it. There is a totally free function that enables users to erase all contents and settings on the Samsung phone which you can access. Install the software on your computer. Alright, now launch the software. If there is no Samsung driver on your computer, click the Install button to get one. OK, choose the one-click factory reset option. Click the reset button. In no time, you rest it successfully. Your phone reboots and you can set it up as a fresh phone. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.